Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.